Namaskar children. In the last video of addition, we have learned about horizontal and vertical addition without carryover and the word problems of addition without carryover. Let us learn something more about addition. Today, we will learn about addition with carryover. What is carryover? Carryover means transfer a number from one place to another. Now, let us study addition of three-digit numbers. 536 plus 785. This is vertical addition. The first step of addition is arranging the digits in place value chart. Arrange the numbers in hundreds, tens and units place. So digits 6 and 5 are in units place. 3 and 8 are in tens place and 5 and 7 are in hundreds place. Write addition sign. Always start the addition from units place. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. We will write 1 in units place and 1 is carried over to tens place. Now add the digits in tens place, that is 3 plus 8, and then add 1 which was carried over from units place. So 3 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 12. Write 2 in tens place and 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Then the addition of hundreds place, that is 5 plus 7 and add 1 which was carried over from tens place. So 5 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 13. We write 3 in hundreds place and 1 is carried over to thousands place. Now add the digits in thousands place, that is 0 plus 0, and we will add 1 which was carried over from hundreds place. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Thus we write 1 in thousands place. So the answer is 1321. In the next example, 665 plus 349. Arrange the numbers in place value chart. Digits 5 and 9 are in units place, 6 and 4 are in tens place, and 6 and 3 are in hundreds place. Start the addition from units place. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. We write 4 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Now the addition of tens place, that is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and add 1 which was carried over from units place. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. We write 1 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Next, the addition of hundreds place. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and add 1 which was carried over from tens place. So 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. We write 0 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Then addition of thousands place, that is 0 plus 0 plus carried over 1 is equal to 1. So we write 1 in thousands place. Thus answer is 1014. Now let us study addition of four-digit numbers. 6785 plus 7453. Start adding digits from units place. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then tens place. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We write 3 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Then add digits in hundreds place. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 plus 1 which was carried over from tens place. That is 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So we write 2 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Then addition of thousands place. 6 plus 7 plus carried over 1 is equal to 14. Write 4 in thousands place and carry 1 to 10,000s place. And addition of 10,000s place. That is 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Thus answer is 14,238. Now let us learn the addition of 4 and 5 digit numbers. 13,752 plus 8,469. Always start the addition from units place. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Write 1 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Then addition of tens place. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 plus 1 which was carried over from units place. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Write 2 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Next add digits in hundreds place. 7 plus 4 plus carried over 1 is equal to 12. Write 2 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Then addition of thousands place. 3 plus 8 plus carried over 1 is equal to 12. Write 2 in thousands place and carry 1 to 10,000s place. And next add the digits in 10,000s place. 1 plus 0 plus carried over 1, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So write 2 in 10,000s place. Thus answer is 22,221. Children, how will you identify that given word problem is of addition? Here are some clues or hints or keywords. Let us see which are these keywords. Altogether, total, sum, add, increase, plus, together, in all. Now, let us see how to solve the word problems based on addition. Anushka has 543 beads. Meghna has 659 beads. How many beads do they have all together? Which operation will you do so as to find out the solution of the given problem? We have a hint hidden in the problem itself. Which is that hint hidden over here? Yes, you guessed it correct. Altogether is a keyword for finding which operation to be used. So, underline the keyword altogether and start with the solution. The first step is given. The number of beads with Anushka, 543. Number of beads with Meghna, 659. Step 2 is to find out total number of beads both have. Step 3 is operation, that is addition. Step 4 is method. Here you have to show the working for the sum. Arrange the numbers in place value chart and start with the units place. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So write 2 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Now add the digits in tens place. 4 plus 5 plus carried 1 is equal to 10. So write 0 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Addition of hundreds place. 5 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 12. So write 2 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Addition of thousands place. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So write 1 in thousands place. And the step 5 is answer. Children, always write answer in full sentence. So the answer is, they have 1202 beads altogether. Now let us study the next word problem. The cost of a mobile phone is rupees 16,490 and the cost of a tablet is rupees 9,640. What is the total cost of both the items? Total is the keyword to find out the cost of both the items. So, underline the keyword and start with the steps. The first step is given. Cost of a mobile phone is 16,490. Cost of a tablet is 9,640. Step 2 is to find out total cost of both the items. Step 3 is operation, addition. Step 4 is method, show the working of the sum. Now arrange the numbers in place value chart and start the addition from units place. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then add the digits in tens place. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So write 3 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Now addition of hundreds place. 4 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 11. So write 1 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Add the digits in thousands place now. That is 6 plus 9 plus carried over 1 is equal to 16. So write 6 in thousands place and carry 1 to 10,000s place. Now add the digits in 10,000s place. 1 plus 0 plus carried over 1 is equal to 2. Step 5 is answer. Write the answer in full sentence. The total cost of both the items is rupees 26,130. Now summary. What we have learnt? We have learnt addition of 3-digit numbers with carryover, addition of 4 and 5-digit numbers with carryover, keywords for addition, word problems based on addition. Steps to be followed while solving the word problems. The steps are step 1, given. Step 2, to find out. Step 3, operation. Step 4, method. And step 5, answer in full sentence. With this, we have finished topic addition and the word problems based on addition. In the next video, we will start with the new topic, that is subtraction.